ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्। प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्। हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। ॐ श्री महागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलं स्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धेर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमा कोमलहस्ताब्ज सम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। वेट्रिवेल् मुरुगनक हर हरो हर भूतनाथ सदानन्द सर्वभूतदयापर रक्ष रक्ष महाबाहो शास्त्रे तुभ्यं नमो नमः। स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा कोमलं कूजनं वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म भासतां पुरतो मम। सायंकाले वनान्ते कुसुमितसमये सैकते चन्द्रिकायां त्रैलोक्याकर्षणाङ्गं सुरवरगणिका मोहनापाङ्गमूर्तिम् सेव्यं शृङ्गारभावैः नवरसभरितैः गोपकन्यासहस्रैः वन्देऽहं रासकेलीरतमतिशुभगं पश्य गोपालकृष्णम्। आनीलश्लक्ष्णकेशञ्ज्वलितमकरसत् कुण्डलं मन्दहासस्यन्दार्द्रं कौस्तुभश्रीपरिगतवनमालोरुहाराभिरामम्। श्रीवत्साङ्गं सुबाहुं मृदुलसदुदरं काञ्चनच्छायचेलं चारुस्निग्धोर्मं भोरुहललितपदं भावयेऽहं भवन्तम्। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द। मोक्षाभिसारमय भागवताख्यदध्नो नारायणीय नवनीतमहो गृहीत्वा मायामयौघपरितप्तजनाय योगात् नारायणावनिसुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै। गंगा गीता च गायत्र्यपि च तुलसिका गोपिका चन्दनन्त सालग्रामाभिपूजा परपुरुष तथैकादशी नाम वर्णाः। एतान्यष्टाप्ययत्नान्यपि कलिसमये त्वत्प्रसाद प्रवृद्ध्या क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानीत्यभिददुरुषयस्तेषु मां सज्जयेथाः। हरये नमः। गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं गोविन्द गोविन्द। श्री पोन्नुगुरुवायूरप्पने शरणं आनन्द चिन्मयने शरणं चोटानिकर भगवती अम्मये शरणं नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते। Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Narayaniam session. We are on this beautiful cusp of starting the 90th Dashakam today, where the Vedanta part starts. And we may not from today onwards be able to do always two Dashakams in a class. Whatever Lord wills, we will do. Anyway, today 90th Dashakam we will complete, we will get into 91st, all that will happen. But where it ends, it's all as per the Lord's will. So we will just flow as how it comes. So let us get into the 90th Dashakam. See, the topic itself is saying what is the aim of all the scriptures. Agamadinam parama tatparya nirupanam. From the scriptures, the highest is known. So it is what the scriptures are going to talk. So it's going to get a little bit Vedanta. Always I may not have capacity to explain, but we will just flow. Whatever Lord wishes will flow out through the mouth in the way it is to. Okay, today I have got A3 like that. Okay, all the three awesome threesome. This is your name for today. Let's start. Malini Chandas, we have done before. Vrikabhrugumunimोहिन्यम्बरीषादिवृत्तेषु. So,
वृकभृगुमुनिमोहिन्यम्बरीषादिवृत्तेषु.
So that sure were all of the sandhis over. Balances Aitava hi mahatvam sarvasharvadijaitam.
अयि तव हि महत्त्वं सर्वशर्वादिजैत्रम्.
स्थितमिह परमात्मन् निष्कलार्वागभिन्नम्.
स्थितमिह परमात्मन् निष्कलार्वागभिन्नम्.
किमपि यदवभातन् तद्भिरूपं तवैव.
किमपि यदवभातं तद्धिरूपं तवैव. वृकभृगुमुनिमोहिन्यम्बरीषादिवृत्तेषु अयि तव हि महत्त्वं सर्वशर्वादिजैत्रम्. स्थितमिह परमात्मन् निष्कलार्वागभिन्नम्. किमपि यदवभातं तद्धिरूपं तवैव.
So, what is the essence of the first verse? Let me say, then when we see the words here, that Lord means Bhattacharya is saying to Lord Krishna that you are only the essence of anything and everything in this world, including other gods also, and you are superior to the other gods also. So, whoever and your avatara, your form has brought out that essence through different leelas that we have seen so far. It is showing Lord's superiority towards on the others. Okay, so this is the essence of the verse. Now we will see one by one. Vruka means in that Vrukasura episode which we finished yesterday. Bhrugu, that Bhrugu's episode we finished. Muni, Mohini, then Ambarisha. So Bhrugu Muni, okay. Then Mohini Avatara, Ambarisha and Ambarishadi Vritteshu. In all these leelas, Tava Ai, oh Lord, Ai is like, it's a Sambodhan Vibhakti. Ai, oh Lord, Tava hi Mahatvam, your importance, even in Sarva Sharvadi Jaitram. Sarva means everybody else, including Sharva on the Jaitram. You have been superior to them. You have won over them on Shiva and all other gods also. Clear? 2 lines clear, right? The meaning is clear. Next, third line. Sthitamiha Paramatman. Now over here, I'll try to bring out the verse. Let me see how much, but whatever comes. Sthitamiha. Over here means where in this Narayanyam, Narayana is a part of Bhagavatam. So in Bhagavata, Paramatman, O Lord, O Supreme Lord, Nishkalar Vaga Bhinnam. Kala is parts. Part, P-A-R-T. And Nishkala is without parts. Okay, like the mala. Mala has so many parts. There should be a string, there should be beads, and then whatever you want to put in, there will be so many things. So there are parts. Anything that has parts is Nashvara. Partless only will be Shashvat, Kala. Okay. So over here, Nishkala and Arvaga Bhinnam means whatever is the form in the Kala or with the Sakala. Lord is there in this mala or not? Of course he is there. So it is with Kala, with parts, with the essence. Nishkala, without any parts, without anything. So whether you are in the things with the Kala, means Sakala, or whether you are without the Kala, Nishkala, they might appear bhinna, but it is you only into that. And that Bhagavata over here, it has proved that it is your form only, whether it is Kala, Sakala or Nishkala. Clear? Third line. Fourth, Kimapi, anything else. Yad avabhatam. Bhasa, ha dhatu is known for shine. Shine. Kimapi, whatever is shining over here, tadhi, that, rupam tavaiva, it's your rupa only. So, whatever is there, everything is your form only. I see something shining over here, I picked up. Okay, now this is Samira. Lord is there in this or not? Lord is there in this or not? Whatever is this existence, you are shining in and out through it, whether there is form or whether there is no form. The other day in Eknathi Bhagavad class, we talked about Ochira's Parabrahma Kshetram. I could relate over there, but with me, whoever was there, couldn't relate to it. Because in Ochira's Parabrahma Kshetram, Lord's Nirakara and Nirguna Rupa is worshipped. When something is Nirakara, shapeless, formless, and when something is Nirguna, not having any attribute, where do you worship? How do you worship? Where to keep the alambana? If you say focus on a yellow light, okay, I can bring the yellow and the light in my hand. If you say, okay, Ganesha, then okay, you have one, you have his trunk and you have his belly. Krishna, okay, he has his flute, he has his morapang. You have Shiva, okay, he has a Chandramauli, he has a Naga, he is a blue. Rama, he has a Dhanusha. You can bring out the guna and the form in your head. Bhagavati, Ashtadeva, and she's sitting like this and ready. You can, or Lakshmi, lotus, or Saraswati, white, swan, anything you can bring out when I talk about these names. But something which is nirguna and nirakara, try to bring that in. Not possible. So in this Ochira Parabrahman Kshetram, Lord is worshipped in Nirguna Nirakara. It is open 24 hours therefore. So where to do the Abhishekam and where to offer the puja? Everything and everything. God is all pervading. So they have just, without walls, some pillars and some massive hall kind they have constructed, and you keep passing through it, keep passing through it, keep passing through it. That's all about it. And then there are these people trees, under which some gods are kept. Shivji is there, Ganeshji is there, but Parabrahma Kshetram, Parabrahma in Nirguna Nirakara is worshipped. So now over there, the point what I'm trying to say is, whether it is a Nishkala or with a Sakala, whatever we see and whatever we don't see or fathom also, whatever shines through it, Tava Eva Rupam, it is Paramatma. It is Shri Krishna only. Like that, Bhattakari has posed this first. So now this is the kind of thing we are going to keep hearing. Okay, so we will have to, from all the Leelas and all, we will have to now change the mindset into the actual Krishna. So Krishna Bala, Krishna Veer, or we fondle, or Gopika's Krishna we know, Arjuna's Krishna we know. Now this Krishna, which is a Paramatman Sarup, Sakala or Nishkala. Sakala with Kala, Nishkala without Kala. And he is Avabhati on everything that is you only. Superior to Shankaradi, etc. gods. And whatever, and what is the proof? What is the proof? This Vrukasur thing is there, Bhrigu Muni's thing is there, Ambarish Charitra we saw, Mohini Swarup we saw. All these kathas are showing what? Are showing Lord's unimaginable feats. That's why it's Leela, where we cannot give a logic why it has happened. So everything in this world, it is you only, O Lord, Bhattathariji is conveying. वृकभृगुमुनिमोहिन्यम्बरीषादिवृत्तेषु अयि तव हि महत्त्वं सर्वशर्वादिजैत्रम् स्थितमिह परमात्मन् निष्कलार्वागभिन्नम् किमपि यदवभातं तद्धिरूपं तवैव. We can underline such lines and keep kimapi yad avabhatam tadhi rupam tavaiva. Whatever is shining over here, it is your form only. Whatever is shining. So that means what? Does the Lord shine in our enemy or the person whom we hate the most? Yes, he will. And if we bring that bhav, then nothing is happening to that person, but in our mind, that bhav changes. So it's a purification of our mind. When we get into this form, so we should now try to adjust our mindset into this and expand our awareness into this vastness of Paratman. Next. Ready? Okay. So now the chandas is changing. Vasanta Tilaka. मूर्तित्रयेश्वर सदाशिव पञ्चकञ्यत्
मूर्तित्रयेश्वर सदाशिव पञ्चकञ्यत्
राहुः परात्मवपुरेव सदाशिवोऽस्मिन्
राहुः परात्मवपुरे सदाशिवोऽस्मिन्
वपुरेव. What did you say?
No, I didn't. राहुः परात्मवपुरेव सदाशिवोऽस्मिन्
तत्रेश्वरस्तु स विकुण्ठपदस्त्वमेव
तत्रेश्वरस्तु स विकुण्ठपदस्त्वमेव
त्रित्वं पुनर्भजसि सत्यपदे त्रिभागे
त्रित्वं पुनर्भजसि सत्यपदे त्रिभागे मूर्तित्रयेश्वर सदाशिव पञ्चकञ्यत् प्राहुः परात्मवपुरेव सदाशिवोऽस्मिन् तत्रेश्वरस्तु स विकुण्ठपदस्त्वमेव त्रित्वं पुनर्भजसि सत्यपदे त्रिभागे.
See, again, same point is told in a different way. Like which is Lord, what is Lord? Murti Trayeshwara Sadashiva Panchakamyat. So that fivefold aspect is saying of Murti Traya Panchakam. What are the fivefold aspects? Brahma is there, Vishnu is there, Rudra, and the other two are Ishvara and Sadashiva. So this Prahuhu, like this fivefold aspect, people talk of Paratma Vapuhu. Paratma Vapuhu is of the Paramatman, of the Supreme Being, of Him alone. That means it's you, Sadashivo Asmin. So this of Sadashiva. So the Shaivites speak of these five forms, but these, O Lord, are actually yours only. You are only the Paramatman, in and through, whatever let the description be. Fivefold form of Ishvara, whoever, it's going to be Bhagwan Narayana only. Tatra Ishvarastu sa Vikuntha padaha tvameva. In Vaikuntha, who is there? That also it's you only. Okay. Then Tritvam. Tritvam Punarbhajasi. You are only manifesting as three. That is Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh. Okay. So Vishnu is also taken as manifestation of that Paramatma. We saw that when Krishna is gone with Arjuna and on the Shesha, when Paramatman was in. And Krishna and Arjuna both bowed. We saw in that Dashaka. So we have to now go and expand our vision higher. So in this Tritva also, you are only manifesting Satyapade Tribhage. And all the parts of Satyaloka also, you are only the manifestation. So whether it's Brahmaji and his abode, Shivji or his abode, Vishnuji and his abode, whether any other forms of any other gods are there, it's you only, Bhagavan. You are only the substratum one, like our cinema screen. Fire is there, water is there, what all is happening. Heroine comes, hero comes, villain comes. All on what substratum? All on the screen substratum. So for all this hero, villain, water, fire, fighting, there should be a screen to get it. So they have the Adhara, the foundation is the screen. Things would change on the screen. Next movie would come, probably it is some animal, something, mountain, ocean, whatever. Things can change, multiply infinite time. That one screen is the same. Screen doesn't change infinite multiple times as the movie would change or as the picture and the pixels would change. Nothing would change with the screen. So there could be manifestations of different kinds of lords, gods, who would be our Ishtadevata probably. But they are all manifestations of that Paramatman only, that Narayana only. Okay. मूर्तित्रयेश्वर सदा शिव पञ्चकञ्यत् राहुः परात्मवपुरेव सदा शिवोऽस्मिन् तत्रेश्वरस्तु स विकुण्ठपदस्त्वमेव त्रित्वं पुनर्भजसि सत्यपदे त्रिभागे. Yes, my dear sweetheart, come over. Same chandas is continuing. Tatrapi sattvikanun tava Vishnumahuhu. Visarga.
तत्रापि सात्विकतनुं तव विष्णुमाहुः
धाता तु सत्त्वविरलो रजसैव पूर्णः.
धाता तु सत्त्वविरलो रजसैव पूर्णः
सत्त्वोत्कटत्वमपि चास्ति तमो विकारचेष्टादिकं च तव शङ्करनाम्नि मूर्तौ.
सत्त्वोत्कटत्वमपि चास्ति तमो विकारचेष्टादिकं च तव शङ्करनाम्नि मूर्तो.
Excellent.
तत्रापि सात्विकतनुं तव विष्णुमाहुः भाता तु सत्त्वविरलो रजसैव पूर्णः सत्त्वोत्कटत्वमपि चास्ति तमो विकारचेष्टादिकं च तव शङ्करनाम्नि मूर्तो.
Excellent, Sita. Thank you. See, now this Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva, which we are calling Trimurti, description of them is coming. How it's this Paramatma only and Paramatma's different ways of manifestation. So, Tatrapi, in that also, Satvika Tanu, where Sattva Bhava is predominant, Tava Vishnu Mahuhu. When Sattva Bhava is predominant, it is called as Vishnu. Ahuhu, called as Vishnu. Dhata. Dhata means Brahmaji. The Sattva Viralaha. Virala less. Sattva is not so much. Rajasaiva Purnaha. He is full of Rajasa, Brahmaji. So when same Paramatma's Rajasic aspect when it comes, it is Brahmaji. Why? Because for activity, Brahmaji is the creator. When you have to do activity, the Rajasic Bhava has to come. Now, Sattvot api, in spite of having full of Sattva, Tamo Vikara Cheshtadi Kancha. That's why we could not break over there. Tamo Vikara Cheshtadika. Cheshtadika. So activities, etc. resulting from Tamo Vikara. Shankara Namni Murtau. Shankara's activities are tamasic. So even if he is Sattva Pradhana, Because his activities are tamasic in nature, he is called as Shankara. Clear now? So sattva aspect of that Paramatman is Vishnu, rajas aspect of that Paramatma is Brahmaji, and tamas aspect of that same Paramatma is Shivji. So are they different then? They are Paramatma only. And then I think it's more fight in Tamil Nadu between Shaivats, Vaishnavites and all like that. Huh? So I think it's more like that, but North, I don't think so much fights, or I don't know. I'm not sure about it. In my head, from my childhood, I was not introduced to the Shaivite Vaishnavite concept and fight. We were introduced all together only, that all gods okay. Tatrapi sattvikatanun tava Vishnumahuhu dhata tu sattva viralo rajasaiva purnaha sattvotkatatvamapi chasti tamo vikara cheshtadikancha tava shankara namni murtau. Okay, all adults can raise hands. Those who want to volunteer to chant. Those who have never tried should volunteer. Huh? Now we are almost last 10 dashakams. Should gather courage and should volunteer. Lataji, same. Vasanta Tilakas only. Chatri is a dvitva. Tanchatrimurtyatigatam parapurushantvām.
तञ्चत्रिमूर्त्यतिगतं परपूरुषं त्वाम्
सर्वात्मनापि खलु सर्वमयत्वहेतोः
सर्वात्मनापि खलु सर्वमयत्वहेतोः
शंसन्त्युपासनविधौ तदपि स्वतस्तु
शंसन्त्युपासनविधौ तदपि स्वतस्तु
त्वद्रूपमित्यतिदृढं बहुनः प्रमाणम्
तद्रूपमित्यतिदृढं बहुनः प्रमाणम् तञ्चत्रिमूर्त्यतिगतं परपूरुषं त्वाम् सर्वात्मनापि खलु सर्वमयत्वहेतोः शंसन्त्युपासनविधौ तव तदपि स्वतस्तु तद्रूपमित्यतिदृढं बहुनः प्रमाणम्.
So over here now what happens? Tamcha. Trimurti Atigatam Parapurusham Tvam. In the three Murtis, Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesha, in the three Murti Atigatam, in that, which is in that Parapurusham means what is the essence of this three Murtis? Tam Tvam, that you are. You are the one who is the essence. You are that supreme consciousness, bliss. You are that Parapurusha. You are that Paramatma who is in these three Murtis. Okay, first line. Second line. Sharvatmanapi khalu sarva mayatva hetoho. Sharvatmana means what? Sharva means Shivji. Shivji also. Khalu sarvamayatva hetoho, because you are the one who is all pervading. In Shivji also, you are the one who is pervading. That means what? Those who are worshipping Shivji is also worshipping you only. Because he is the substratum over there. So, samsanti upasana vidho. So, whoever is praising Shivji or describing upasana who was doing on that, tadapi swatahatu. Actually, you are only they are worshipping. So the form may be Brahma, form may be Ganesha, form may be Shivji, but the worship may be going on that, but it is reaching to Paramatma only. Clear? Form would be anybody. The person behind that is Paramapurusha. So you may be worshipping Shiva, but is actually people are worshipping the Paramatma only. Twadrupam iti atidridham. Your bahunaha pramanam. Naha, we have so many pramanam, proofs to say that you are the one they are worshipping. Form outside would be different. Movies can come and go. Morning show may be a Tamil movie, afternoon show may be a Hindi movie, night show may be English movie. Anything can go. Type of audiences are changing accordingly. Who like English movie and who like Tamil movie. According audience are changing. The movie is on what? On that same screen it is. So all the three people, whether it's a Tamil, Hindi, English, they are coming and watching that same screen only. Not knowing that it is the same screen. The movie is different. The show outside is different. The texture is different. The liking of those people is different. But watching same screen. Clear? So whoever we are worshipping, ultimately it is going to Paramatma only. The form outside would be different. But the worship is, it's all reaching to him. तञ्चत्रिमूर्त्यतिगतं परपूरुषं त्वां सर्वात्मनापि खलु सर्वमयत्वहेतोः शंसन्त्युपासनविधौ तदपि स्वतस्तु त्वद्रूपमित्यतिदृढं बहुनः प्रमाणम्. वन्ने same tune. Shri Shankaropi Bhagavan Sakaleshu Tavat. The ending. The second line half the will reach top.
श्रीशङ्करोऽपि भगवान् सकलेषु तावत्
त्वामेव मानयति यो न हि पक्षपाती
त्वामेव मानयति यो न हि पक्षपाती
त्वन्निष्ठमेव स हि नाम सहस्रकादि
त्वन्निष्ठमेव स हि नाम सहस्रकादि
व्याख्यत् भवत् स्तुतिपरश्च गतिं गतोऽन्ते
व्याख्यत् भवत् स्तुतिपरश्च गतिं गतोऽन्ते व्याख्यत् श्रीशङ्करोऽपि भगवान् सकलेषु तावत् त्वामेव मानयति यो न हि पक्षपाती त्वन्निष्ठमेव स हि नाम सहस्रकादि व्याख्यत् भवत् स्तुतिपरश्च गतिं गतोऽन्ते.
So now over here, when the verse is starting with Shri Shankaraha api, it is not Shri Shankara means Bhagwan Shivji. It is Adi Shankaracharya ji. So Shankara, Adi Shankaracharya ji, Bhagavan Sakaleshu Tavat. Sakala means amongst all your kala forms, one which is having all the kala, Saguna and Sakara, Tvameva Manayati. Even he was worshipping you only. Yaha nahi, na hi pakshapati. He was not like one religious or one particular sect he belonged to. He was not, okay, I am a Shaivite, I won't worship Vishnu. I am a Vishnavite, I won't say a worship. He was not that. He was open-minded. He was knowing all the Shastras, but yet your form, in the Kala form, he has worshipped you only. Who? Narayana, in the Kala form. Then, Tvanishtameva, and he stood in you. What he has done? Nama Sahasrakadi. Yeah. Vishnu Sahasranama and all. Adi Shankaracharya ji has written commentary. So on Nama Sahasrakadi also he has written commentary. Who? It's Vishnu's name only. Not any other Sahasranam. Okay. And Vyakhyat Bhava. And has he written so many other commentaries? Yes. Gita and all he has written. And Bhavat Stuti Parascha. And doing your Stuti only. Bhavat Stuti, your Stuti only. Gatim Gatomte. In the end, he got Gati, means he got liberated. By doing Bhagwan's Stuti only, he has got. How many stotras he has made? So many. Only on Lord of what? No. So many other God's forms also he has written so many stotras and all. But ultimately, he has worshipped you and sung stutis of you only, and he has got Gati. Shri Shankaropi Bhagavan Sakaleshu Tavat. त्वामेव मानयति नो हि त्वामेव मानति यो न हि पक्षपाती त्वं निष्ठमेव स हि नाम सहस्रकादि व्याख्यद्भवत्स्तुतिपरश्च गतिं गतों ते। सुमनाजी Number 6. मूर्तित्रयातिगमुवाच मन्त्रशास्त्रस्यादौ कला. So mantrashastrasya is the word. So we cannot stop. Mantrashastrasya, Shashti Ekvachan. Okay. We cannot stop over there. मूर्तित्रयातिगमुवाच च vacha cha. The cha has to have uvacha and then cha. मूर्तित्रयातिगमुवाच च मन्त्रशास्त्रस्यादौ कलाय सुषमौ सकलेश्वरं त्वाम्।
मूर्तित्रयातिगमुवाच च मन्त्रशास्त्रस्यादौ कलाय सुषमौ सकलेश्वरं त्वाम्।
Correct. ध्यानं च निष्कलमसौ प्रणवे खलूक्त्वा
ध्यानं च निष्कलमसौ प्रणवे खलूक्त्वा
त्वामेव तत्र सकलं निजगाद नान्यम्।
त्वामेव तत्र सकलं निजगादनान्यम्। मूर्तित्रयातिगमुवाच च मन्त्रशास्त्रस्यादौ कलाय सुषमौ सकलेश्वरं त्वाम्। ध्यानं च निष्कलमसौ प्रणवे खलूक्त्वा त्वामेव तत्र सकलं निजगादनान्यम्।
So again, a little complicated, but we will understand in whichever way the Lord wants to express. So, Murtitrayati Gama Uvacha Mantra Shastra. Shankaracharya has he has written there is a work of Mantra Shastra, and in Essence Shastri they have mentioned the name of that. So that work what he has done is called as Prapancha Sara. Okay, who Shankaracharya ji's work. So in that in that Mantra Shastrasya Adau, in the beginning of that Mantra Shastra, Sakaleshwara, one who is having all the kalas, that God, Kalaya Sushamam, Kalaya Sushamam, like a lotus. He has described the Lord over there. And the most enchanting lotus is, you feel attracted to a blue lotus. So Alaya Sushamam is a blue lotus. And then also he has said, Dhyanancha Nishkalam Asau. Asau means he means Shankaracharya ji. He has expressed how to do meditation on a Nishkala also. Nishkala without any paths. He has expressed that in what form? In Pranava Khalutva. Pranava Omkara. So he has given the Pranava meditation. That is Pranava meditation is meditation on Lord without Kala. And I remember Swami Abhedananda ji saying that as a Grihastha-ashrami, we cannot meditate only on Om. We should take Om and some mantra. Meditating exclusively on Om is for sannyasis, he had mentioned. Couple of times he has mentioned that. Okay, then Tvameva Tatra Sakalam Nijagada Nanyam. Nijagada, he has said, in every form, in everything, Tvameva, you are the only substratum of anything and everything, like the Shankaracharya ji has mentioned over there. मूर्तित्रयातिगमुवाच च मन्त्रशास्त्रस्यादौ कलाय सुषमौ सकलेश्वरं त्वाम् ध्यानं च निष्कलमसौ प्रणवे खलूक्त्वा त्वामेव तत्र सकलं निजगाद नान्यम्. ललिता वंशस्थ समस्तसारे च पुराणसङ्ग्रहे
समस्तसारे च पुराणसङ्ग्रहे
विसंशयन्त्वन्महिमैव वर्ण्यते
विसंशयन् त्वन्महिमैव वर्णते
वर्णते नो
वर्णते या
त्रिमूर्तियुक् सत्यपदत्रिभागतः
त्रिमूर्तियुक् सत्यपदत्रिभागतः
परं पदन्ते कथितन्न शूलिनः
परं पदन्ते कथितन्न शूलिनः समस्तसारे च पुराणसङ्ग्रहे विसंशयन् त्वन्महिमैव वर्ण्यते त्रिमूर्तियुक् सत्यपदत्रिभागतः परं पदन्ते कथितन्न शूलिनः
त्रिमूर्तियुक् सत्यपद ओके त्रिमूर्तियुक् सत्यपदत्रिभागतः समस्त सारे the essence of everything sara the essence of everything purana sangrahe in the puranas in the visamshayam without any samshaya without any doubts tvat mahima eva varnyate your glory only is being described. Any Puranas, everything, the gist of all the Puranas, everything in the essence, your glory is only being described. First two lines, over. Trimurti Yuk Satyapada Tribhagataha. In Satyaloka, Trimurtis are there. Parampadam, your pada, your loka is beyond that. Your Vaikuntha loka is beyond the Satyaloka. Kathitam na shulinaha. Shulinaha, the one who is holding shula, is Shivji. For Shivji, that abode is separate is not said. He is the part of that Satyaloka, he is having that. But Bhagwanji's abode is beyond the Satyaloka. Bhagwanji's abode we know is Vaikuntha. Vaikuntha is beyond Satyaloka. Samasta sare cha purana sangrahe विसंश्रयन् त्वन्महिमैव वर्ण्यते त्रिमूर्तियुक् सत्यपदत्रिभागतः परं पदन्ते कथितन्न शूलिनः. Gayatri ma. Number 8. Again back to Vasanta Tilaka. Yad Brahma Kalpa iha Bhagavata Skandhoditam. So Dvitiya Skandhoditam we cannot break. Okay. Bhagavata Dvitiya Tadvi is a Dvitva. Bhagavata Dvitiya Skandhoditam. In Bhagavata second skanda. In that way. So we cannot stop over there. Yad Brahma Kalpaiha Bhagavata Dvitiya Skandhoditam Vapurana Vritamisha Dhatre. Take your time. Don't panic. Slowly. Take your time, no problem.
ब्राह्म्यकल्पैः भागवतद्वितीयस्कन्धोदितं वपुरनावृतमीशधात्रे.
Okay. Only thing, all the Alpa Prana, Mahaprana are mixed, but we will have to be specific. That much Vak Shuddhi should happen. Skandho, Dho is Mahaprana. The Mahaprana used over there cannot spill over these Alpa Prana. So our pressure, our Vak Shuddhi, how much prana we put in, that has to be a precision attack. On that alphabet only we should land with the Mahaprana. It cannot spill over the next. Doesn't matter. Slowly it will come. Just start bringing that awareness without stressing. Tasyaiva nama harisharva mukhan jagada.
तस्यैव नाम हरिशर्वमुखं जगाध.
What happens? Say again. Mukhan, you are saying Mukhan. Jagada, you are saying Jaghada. So Kha is a Mahaprana. Ga is Alpa Prana. So we cannot mix Alpa Prana, Mahaprana anyhow. Mukhan, Kha Mahaprana. Jagada, all are Alpa Pranas. No Mahaprana there.
Mukhan jagada.
So Ja, if you will go into Mahaprana, it will become Ja. Jagadha, like that it will sound. No, it's Ja, Ga, all three are Alpa Prana. Okay. So it is the pressure that we are giving on the word that is making it Alpa Prana, Mahaprana. We should not give undue pressure anyhow. We should give that much only what is needed for that alphabet. Okay. Fourth line. श्रीमाधव शिवपरोऽपि पुराणसारे
श्रीमाधव शिवपरोऽपि पुराणसारे
Good.
यद्ब्राह्मकल्प इह
See, khalpa is happening by kalpa, kalpa prana.
यद्ब्राह्मकल्प इह भागवतद्वितीयस्कन्धोति तं वपुरनावृतमीश धात्रे तस्यैव नाम हरिशर्वमुखं जगाद श्रीमाधव
Madhava
शिवपरो
has happened. See, my Madhava.
श्रीमाधव शिवपरोऽपि पुराणसारे.
Good. Good. You should, that's why I've been saying, should come volunteer, then it can be picked and, repaired. Otherwise, all silent people will remain silent and I won't get a chance to hear, and then the improvement will not happen. So should come out. Okay. Now, here, what? Brahmakalpa. In Brahmakalpa, iha Bhagavata Dvitiya Skandha Uditam. In Bhagavata's second skandha, it is said, what? Vapuhu anavritam isha dhatre. Anavrita, to open, to reveal. Dhatre, to the dhata, to Brahmaji. What is been revealed to him? Tasya eva nama Harisharva Mukham Jagada. That the names of Lord are Hari, Sharva, like this is it's been told. By whom? By Shri Madhava. So Shri Madhava is Vidyaranyaji. He has said in Shiva Parahapi, though he is been a Shiva Para. Vidyaranya Swami is Shiva Bhakta, but in the Purana Sara, he has given names of Lord as Hari, Sharva and all. Okay. Yad Brahma Kalpaiha Bhagavatadvitiya Skandhoditam Vapurana Vritamisha Dhatre Tasyaiva Nama Harisharva Mukhan Jagada Shri Madhava Shiva Paropi Purana Sare. What happened? Everybody's got tired. Okay, let us take again. Okay, Radha Krishnan ji has raised your hand. I'll take you for the 10th shlok, Radha Krishnan ji. 9th one, Lata ji. Ye swaprakrutyanuguna girisham bhajante.
ये स्वप्रकृत्यनुगुणा गिरिशं भजन्ते
Tesham phalau hi dridhaiva tadiya bhaktya.
तेषां फलं हि दृढैव तदीयभक्त्या
Vyaso hi tena kritavan adhikari hetoho.
व्यासो हि तेन कृतवान् अधिकारी हेतोः
Skandadikeshu tava hani vachorthavadaihi.
स्कान्दादिकेषु तव हानिवचोऽर्थवादैः ये स्वप्रकृत्यनुगुणा गिरिशं भजन्ते तेषां फलं हि दृढैव तदीयभक्त्या व्यासो हि तेन कृतवान् अधिकारी हेतोः स्कान्दादिकेषु तव हानिवचोऽर्थवादैः.
So now this becomes a little, one word is there in the end, Arthavadaihi. So this is Arthavada. What is Arthavada? Tava Hani Vachaha. Tava Hani means Bhattatari ji is saying to Lord, something which is something which is not describing you as greatest. Hani vacha, hani is something bad. Hani is something which is damaging. So something that is damaging your glory, this is called as Arthavada. And Vyasji has only, see, in the third line, Vyasa has come. And in the fourth line, Skanda Dikeshu has come. So Vyasji is only the one who has written all the Puranas, right? So now, when Vyasji has only written the Purana, when Vyasji knows everything, why then in Skanda Purana and all, Shiva is glorified? So when Shiva is glorified and Lord is being shown in a lower light, such sentences are called as Arthavadas. The first two lines describe why it is being said so. So, ye, whoever, swaprakrutyanuguna, according to their mental texture. Why I like Shiva, why I like Rama, why I like this. According to our mental texture, we are choosing our deities, right? I like Devi, I like whoever, whichever God. Okay, the form which we identify, their qualities that we identify, sometimes the looks we identify, sometimes their glories, like our cinema heroes. Everybody need not call Shah Rukh Khan the biggest hero, right? Some people will not like him also. Like in Kerala, we have these two, Mohanlal and Mammootty. You have to be either one side, Mohanlal or Mammootty. You have to like some character of this person and some, where our identification of that quality, where we are identifying, that becomes our liking. It is not in that person that means. It is in our mind. If Mohanlal has to be great, then everybody should call him great. If Mammootty has to be the best, then everybody should call him best. But it is not like that, no. Some people don't call him best. Some people call this one best. Some people call it. Or amongst all the Khans or whoever, whatever heroes on the screen we see, somewhere we have got that identification. But if they were having those qualities, then everybody should see the same quality, right? So it is not into them. It is my mental texture that I am identifying over there. I like probably comedy of somebody. Or I like somebody's dashing nature. He gives a nice good fight. Or maybe I like somebody who's very cute hero. Okay, nothing, only on the looks I'm gone. God alone, somebody must be having some dimple and fallen on that dimple. Nothing doesn't. The person may not look good also. Must be a dark. Take our Rajnikant. Oh my God. People will hold him, do Aarti in the theater, do puja. Everything is offered. Does he look good? Dark person, bald person. So if you have an imagination of a cute, dimple, fair hero and all, and over here you see Rajnikant, you will get shocked because you have not identified his movie. You will say, why people are glorifying his movie? What he does this action and his bullet can pierce anything and he can hold the bullet in the air with his hand. Come on. But now you have not identified with that hero, so you feel it's such a stupidity. Neither he looks good, he's dark, he's bald, and he holds a bullet. What nonsense they show on the screen. Who will say? Who is not a fan of that person? But who is a fan of that person? Oh my God. Same thing over here with the gods. Whatever has been glorified, Swa-Prakrutyanu-guna, where you are identifying which God you like, it is Swa-Prakriti-guna according to your mental texture. God is, your mind is identifying with certain looks. And with that, Girisham Bhajante, they might worship Shiva, Swa-Prakrutyanu-guna. Now, if my hero is Shiva, Tesham phalam drudhayaiva tadiya bhaktya. So why Vyasji has then glorified Shiva in Skanda Purana? Because I am one of that person who likes Shiva. So I would like to see my hero always winning. My hero is getting defeated. How will I like? So if I see my hero is winning always, my bhakti to that hero is increasing. Tesham phalam drudha. So to get the drudha bhakti, Vyasji has put Shiva in the hero and Hani Vacha Tava Hani Vachaha. Paramatma, Bhagwan Vishnu, Krishna in a lower light and spotlight is on Shiva. So that Shiva Bhakta's bhakti in their heart increases. My hero is Shiva, my hero should win. So in Skanda Purana, you will see Shivji's glory only. Means it is to enhance the bhakti of the bhakta. Nothing is to the God. God is not becoming big or small. When my bhakti becomes drudha, then only I can progress. So it is to uplift those who are like weaker mind, who have not yet established. It is to uplift them. Vyasji has done, and such sentences are called as Arthavada. Are we clear with this? This should be firm in our head. Wherever we are worshipping, it is all going to Narayana only. The form in front is changing. And that is Swa Prakrutyana. It is the individual mental texture. We have to see that. Individually, who is liking what, there the attraction is going. It's individual. Nothing is with that hero. Individual perception. Individual like and dislike. It is on the sadhaka alone. Okay. Ye swaprakrutyanuguna girisham bhajante tesham phalam hi dridhaiva tadiya bhaktya vyaso hi tena kritavan adhikari hetoho skandadikeshu tava hani vachorthavadaihi.
Varshaji, sorry, it is Dridha Yaiva or Dridhaiva?
Second line.
Second line.
Dridha Yaiva.
Dridha Yaiva, I think. Okay.
So Sandhi over there will be Dridhaya Eva, third case. By making that Bhakti or Shraddha Dridha. Dridha is firm. Dridhaya. Okay. See, at the ending sentence, Tadiya Bhaktya. Bhaktya is also third case. So, Dridhaya Bhaktya. By making the devotion firm. Okay? Dridhaya eva. Dridhaya eva. Okay. Radha Krishnan ji. Is this the last verse? No, we have one more verse. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Bhutartha kirtiranvada viruddhavadau.
Bhutartha kirtiranvada viruddhavadau.
Tredharthavada gatayah khalu rochanarthaha.
Tredarthavada gadaya kalurochanarthaha.
Skandadikeshu bahavotra viruddhavadaha.
Skandadikeshu bahavotra viruddhavadaha.
Svattama paribhutyupashikshanaadyaha.
Tvattama sattva paribhutyupashikshanaadyaha. Bhutartha kirtiranuvada viruddhavadau. Tredharthavada gadayah kalurochanarthaha. Skandadikeshu bahavotra viruddhavadaha. Tattvama sattva paribhutyupashikshanaadyaha.
Very good. Okay. So now, let us see one by one. Bhutartha kirtihi. Bhutartha kirti means what? Something which is not there in the pramana and something which is not there as your experience also. Okay. Bhutartha Kirti means it is not against also, and you cannot verify it also. It's not your experience also. This is one point. Second point, when we'll complete, you will slowly understand. Anuvada Viruddhavada. Anuvada Viruddhavada is what? Anuvada is something which is relatable with the experience. Anuvada. Anuvada. And then comes the Viruddhavada. So we have a Bhutartha Kirti, we have a Anuvada, and we have a Viruddhavada. Three things there in the first line. The first one is neither against the Pramana nor against the experience. It's not experience. Anuvada is something which is with my experience. And Viruddhavada is something which is opposite that of my experience. Okay? Three things we have seen. So Tredha means these three, these are the types of Arthavada. Arthavada was introduced for us before, na? Hani bacha tava hani. So when it is said like the Arthavada, so Arthavada can be of these three types. And why they are there? Only khalu? Really for Rochanartha only to make some topic interesting. It is a chemistry or a history class can be so dull, then the teacher has to make some story into that equation. And because it's school students, something romance is added. This goes and marries this is formed. Like this, it's not interest is there to hear. This one has fallen in love with this, whichever the element, chemical, whatever, and then that product is coming. Then attention is there. Otherwise, it's such a boring thing to go. So, like this, these Arthavadas, three types, are brought to Rochanartha, to just create more interesting subject. Then, Skandadi Keshu. Skanda Adi means all other Puranas, like Skanda and all other Purana. Bahavaha Atra, so many over here, Viruddhavadas are there. So only Viruddhavadas are there, means which is not your experience. You feel God is great, Bhagavan Paramatma is great, but in Skandadi Puraneshu, it's all Bhava, Viruddhavada only. You will you will see all these Hani Vachanas over here. But what? Tamasatva Paribhuti Upashikshanadhyaha. So the statements all over there are Tamoguna. And it is for others. They have been given that for Upashikshanadhyaha. It is being told by somebody else and it has been instructed by somebody else. That's why such statements would come. So we have not to get affected by such kind of subject matters when they would come. But there will be such kind of subjects. Something with your experience, something without your experience, something which nobody would have experienced. Such kind of sentences would come in Puranas. Our bhakti to the Lord should not change. Bhutartha kirtiranvada viruddhavadau त्रेधार्थवाद गतयः खलु रोचनार्थाः स्कान्दादिकेषु बहवोऽत्र विरुद्धवादाः त्वत्तामसत्त्वपरिभूत्युपशिक्षणाद्याः. Last one. यत्किञ्चिदप्यविदुषापि विभो मयोक्तम्
यत्किञ्चिदप्यविदुषापि विभो मयोक्तम्
तन्मन्त्रशास्त्रवचनाद्यभिदृष्टमेव
तन्मन्त्रशास्त्रवचनाद्यभिदृष्टमेव
व्यासोक्तिसारमय भागवतोपगीतक्लेशान् विधूय कुरु भक्तिभरं परात्मन्.
व्यासोक्तिसारमय भागवतोपगीतक्लेशान् विधूय कुरु भक्तिभरं परात्मन्. यत्किञ्चिदप्यविदुषापि विभो मयोक्तम् तन्मन्त्रशास्त्रवचनाद्यभिदृष्टमेव व्यासोक्तिसारमय भागवतोपगीतक्लेशान् विधूय कुरु भक्तिभरं परात्मन्.
Upagita Kleshan we need not actually keep together. I didn't see a vibhakti over there or anything, so I had added. But Upagita itself is independent. So no need to join. Kleshan Vidhuya Kuru Bhakti Bharam Paratman is an independent statement, not linked to the third line. Okay. So, Yat Kinchit Api Avidusha Api. Avidusha, not so very intelligent. Means stupid sentences. Vibho, O all-pervading Lord. Mayoktam, Maya Uktam. I have said. That is that Mantra Shastra Vachanadi Abhidrushtam. It was all in that work of Mantra Shastra, keeping that in mind. But Vyasokti, what Vyasa has said, Saramaya, the essence of all that is in Bhagavad Upagita. He has put all your essence into Bhagavata. So I'm thinking of that only, that all your essence is being sung out, Upagitam, sung out in Bhagavata. Kleshan vidhuya, eradicate all my kleshas, problem. Guru, bhakti bharam, fill me with devotion. See, he has not asked two things. Now today, two things. Remove my sorrow also and give me bhakti also, he's saying, Paratman. Oh Lord. Now Guruvairappa he has not called. He has asked Paramatman only. Now Guruvairappa is he is seeing Paramatma as Paramatma. Then the next Dashakam when it starts, how to ask God, what to ask? We ask what? My health, my daughter, my son, my family. Like this, small. All Nashvara things only we ask. He has asked here, Kuru Bhakti Bharam. The next whole Dashakam is of that Bhakti. So the seed is put over here and the next Dashakam will continue. Very beautiful it is. यत्किञ्चिदप्यविदुषापि विभो मयोक्तं तन्मन्त्रशास्त्रवचनाद्यभिदृष्टमेव व्यासोक्तिसारमय भागवतोपगीत क्लेशान् विधूय कुरु भक्तिभरं परात्मन् सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्दा गोविन्दा Narayana Akhila Guru Bhagavam Namaste. With such a immense grace, we have completed this beautiful Dashakam, which is like an introduction to what next 10 Dashakams are going to be like. So now the seed of Bhakti he has put. So next we are starting immediately the next Dashakam, 91st. It is saying Bhakti Swarupa Varnanam. Bhakti Swarupa, the nature of the devotion has been described over here. And from here, Bhagavata's most beautiful part, that is 11th canto starts over here. 11th canto's commentary is done by Eknathji, which we are doing from Monday to Thursday for 20 minutes daily. 7:15 India time to 7:35. Please join. It's so beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. 20 minutes we can give. And that commentary is the essence of this entire Bhagavata, all that teaching that comes in the 11th canto, that is happening in Eknathi Bhagavat. And that 11th canto's essence is now this Dashak. From here onwards, 91st onwards, this 11th canto is coming. Very, very beautiful. Those who are in that memorizing thing, we are going to memorize this. Those who are not into memorize, at least get the meaning of this, what to ask for Lord, how to ask for the Lord. It's so beautiful. From 91 onwards, entire thing is completely beautiful only. Till the end, it is so beautiful. So bring all your minds in the class always. Don't multitask. And after class, also sit with the book, study throughout. Don't leave it. Go back to the Bhagavata and check where it has come. See the references, how it is, and dwell on this. Then only it will seep inside. Okay, where are my kids? Oh, A3 has become back to the names. Okay. Could you switch on your cameras? Our camera is on, then why I'm not able. I know. Okay. Getting into Sraddhara meter. Shri Krishna Tvatpadopasanamabhayatamam Baddhamithyartha Drishte.
श्रीकृष्ण त्वत्पदोपासनमभयतमं बद्धमिथ्यार्थदृष्टेः
मर्तस्यार्तस्य मन्ये व्यपसरति भयं येन सर्वात्मनैव. If you pause, otherwise भयं येन सर्वात्.
मर्त्यस्यार्थस्य मन्ये व्यपसरति भयं येन सर्वात्मनैव
यत्तावत् त्वत्प्रणीतानिह भजन विधीना स्थितो मोहमार्गे.
यत्तावत् त्वत्प्रणीतानिह भजनविधिना स्थितो मोहमार्गे
धावन्नप्यावृताक्षस्खलति न कुहचित् देवदेवाखिलात्मन्.
धावन्नप्यावृताक्षस्खलति न कुहचिद्देवदेवाखिलात्मन् श्रीकृष्ण त्वत्पदोपासनमभयतमं बद्धमिथ्यार्थदृष्टेः मर्त्यस्यार्थस्य मन्ये व्यपसरति भयं येन सर्वात्मने नैव यत्तावत् त्वत्प्रणीतानिह भजनविधिना स्थितो मोहमार्गे धावन्नप्यावृताक्षस्खलति न कुहचिद्देवदेवाखिलात्मन्.
See, the first verse itself will give, I want this kind of a thing. So what to ask a God, we will get over here, and this should be our prayer, and this should be our bhav. One by one we'll see. We are not going to rush through in a so I'm also taking off that pressure that we have to complete the Dashakam. We are not going to complete the Dashakam. We are going to enjoy this. Okay. The first word starts with Shri Krishna. And the last ends with Deva Deva Khilatman. So these two we have to put together. Deva Deva, the Lord of the Lords. Akhila Atma, in all the souls, who is dwelling the soul, who is the soul of all. That, O Shri Krishna. Okay. Shri Krishna, Deva Deva Akhilatman. Clear? First step. So it's asking, O Lord Krishna, you are the one who is the soul of the soul, Lord of the Lord. Now, start. Tvat padopasanam abhayatamam. Tvat padopasanam. Padopasana, worship of your feet. Tvat, your worship of your feet. Abhayatamam. Tamam means is the best abhaya. Abhaya means where you are not afraid of anything. Abhaya, where you can get your ashraya without any conflict in the mind, without any fear. So refuge in you. Seeking your feet would be the best refuge. Tvat padopasanam abhayatamam. To whom? This Baddha Mithyartha Drishtehe. Baddha, who is bound by Mithya, wrong, Drishtehe, understanding. What is the wrong understanding? I am the body. That is the worst thing. I, me, mine. That is the worst cause. So this is Baddha. That's why I'm bound, right? So many things we spend for our body. Body is Nashwar. We are still not getting the hook of what is Shashwat. Because this is what I'm going to preserve. Color for my hair. Color for my nail. Hair is going to go. Again, we'll have to go and color. I'm thinking, now when I have to close my these gray hair. It's going to happen. Natural. Nakha, oh my God. Shurpanakha is not the one with the beautiful nails, okay? Shurpanakha, who's having big nails and all. But we want the gel polish and all, and what nail art we have to do. Because I am the body, I want to decorate myself. Body, and my understanding is only this much. Then my house, my children, my things, my car, my. So this is Baddha. It is bound me. Beyond this, I'm not progressing only. Nashwar things only I'm liking. This is Mithyartha Drushti. Mithya. It appears that it's cool thing, but you are going after a mirage water only. Martyasya Arthasya Manye means, Manye is I think. Manye means like that one day. I think. So, what will happen because of that? Martyasya means the human beings like that. Arthasya. So, of Martya means one who is not Shashvat. Martya. Martya means all people on the earth are Martya Loka. We say Martya Loka. People are going to die eventually. Artha. Artha means continuously in sorrow. The sorrow is not finishing only after one problem another. There is no permanent happiness, right? Happy, sad. Happy, sad. Permanent happiness is not there. So, for those who are this Martya Artha, Manye, I think, they are Vyapasarati. Vyapasarati is like going. Bhayam yena sarvatmana eva. Yena, by which sarvatmana, in every aspect, Vyapasarati, bhayam would go. By what? Tvat pada upasana. So people who are living on this earth, Martya, who are having this sorrow, their bhayam vyapasarati, their bhayam would go if they take refuge in your feet. Aham manye, that manye means I think. Because they are having drushti problem. They are ignorant. So I think such people should take Tvatpadopasana. Abhayatama. They should do that. Okay? First two lines over. Third line. Yat tavat. Because, why? Tvat pranitan iha. Tvat. Bhattatriji is saying to the Lord. Tvat pranitan. You have only pranita. From you only it has started. You have only given iha over here. Bhajana vidhi. How to worship. Anasthita moha marge. Bhajana vidhin. Different, plural. Bhajana vidhin. Asthita. Bhajana vidhin. You have only given methods to worship. Asthitaha moha marge. Moha marga. This is the path of delusion. And in that, you have established how to worship. Then, dhavan api avrutakshaha. Aksha, eyes. Avrutaha, closed. Dhavan api. Even if you run then with the closed eyes, na skhalati. You won't fall. Kuhachit. Anywhere. Kuhachit. Devadevat khilatman, we have a kuhachit. You won't fall. Means what? If you hold on to the Lord's feet and you run in this world with your closed eyes also, you won't slip the path. When we leave the Lord's feet, when we forget the Lord, definitely the fall will be there. This is the essence of the. Is this clear? Very beautiful, huh? To hold the Lord's feet is the best thing to do because our drushti is baddha. We don't understand. So if we are going with the baddha drushti, we are going to fall. But if we hold the Lord's feet, even if you close your eyes and you run, not walk, run, dhavan api. Even if you run with your eyes closed, holding the Lord's feet, na skalati, you would never fall. Shri Krishna Tvatpadopasanamabhayatamam Baddhamithyartha Drishtehe Martasyartasya Manye Vyapasarati Bhayam Yena Sarvatmanaiva Yattavat Pranitaniha Bhajana Vidhi Nasthito Mohamarge भावन्नप्यावृताक्षस्खलति न कुहचित् देवदेवाखिलात्मन्. Anish. भूमन् कायेन वाचा मुहुरपि मनसा त्वद्बलप्रेरितात्मा
भूमन् कायेन वाचा मुहुरपि मनसा त्वद्बलप्रेरितात्मा
यद्यत् स्कुर्वे समस्तं तदिह परतरे त्वय्यसावर्पयामि.
यद्यत् कुर्वे समस्तं तदिह परतरे त्वय्यसावर्पयामि.
जात्यापीह श्वपाकस्त्वयि निहितमनः कर्म वागिन्द्रियार्थप्राणो विश्वं पुनीते न तु विमुखमनास्त्वत्पदाद्विप्रवर्यः. Prano, there should be dvitva, joining the third line to the fourth one.
जात्यापीह श्वपाकस्त्वयि निहतमनः कर्म वागिन्द्रियार्थप्राणो विश्वं पुनीते न तु विमुखमनास्त्वत्पदाद्विप्रवर्यः. भूमन् कायेन वाचा मुहुरपि मनसा त्वद्बलप्रेरितात्मा यद्यत् कुर्वे समस्तं तदिह परतरे त्वय्यसावर्पयामि. जात्यापीह श्वपाकस्त्वयि निहतमनः कर्म वागिन्द्रियार्थप्राणो विश्वं पुनीते न तु विमुखमनास्त्वत्पदाद्विप्रवर्यः.
Awesome. Let's select it.
Anika is not there.
Anika is not there? Oh, okay. Fine. This part. See, such beautiful. Let us see. Where to start now? Okay, Bhuman, the all-pervading one. Kayena, by body. Vacha, by speech. Muhurapi, again and again, always. Manasa, by mind. Tvad, bala preritatma, by your strength. If somebody is propelled forward and they yadyat kurve, whatever they do, samastam, everything, iha paratare, means paratare, tvai asau arpayami, I offer. By your prompting, whatever actions I do with my mind, body and speech, I offer it to you. Clear? First two lines over. Third line. Jatyapiha. Jatyapiha shvapakaha. Shvapakaha. Shunichaiva shvapakecha we have seen now. Shvapakaha. So, one who is not having that noble birth, lower birth. So, even if Jatya api in the lower birth, Tvai nihita manaha karma vaga indriyartha pranaha. One who has dedicated Tvai to you. What? Mana, mind, karma, actions, vag, speech, indriyartha, all the sense organs, along with all its objects, pranaha, and all the prana energy also, who has offered it to you, Vishwam Punite. Huh? Punate is to purify. Vishwa purifies the whole world. But Vimukhaha, Vimukha Manaha, if mind is not given to you, whose mind is not on you, Vimukha. Samukha towards, Vimukha away from you. Away. Tvat padad, away from your feet. Vipravaryaha natu punite. Even if he is a Vipra, even if he is a Brahmana, na punite, he won't get purified. So a person of a lower birth, but is holding Lord's feet, he gets sanctified, purified. But even if it is of a higher birth, even if it's a Brahmana or whatever, but Vimukhaha, he is not holding Lord's feet, he can't get purified. That means he will get more into samsara. His gati will be of sorrow. Samsara means having sorrow. Samsara means sorrow. Mental, physical, emotional, intellectual, spiritual. Something or the other is on. It's not, you are not free. Samsara is that. Like at the moment we are we are not always happy. No, we have got a lot of stress of other things that's happening in our life. Okay, now in the class time we don't discuss that. Other times we are discussing about it. This moment we are kept for the class. Correct. But otherwise, other 24 hours of the 23 hours, we are dealing with, we are in the samsara. When we hold the Lord's name, we are out of it. Lord is the only Kaivartakaha, who is the one who is taking us across the ocean of Bhavasagara, the samsara. Bhuman kayena vacha muhurapi manasa tvadbala preritatma yadyat kurve samastam tadiha paratare tvaya savarpayami jatyapi hashvapakas tvai manah karma vagindriyartha prano vishvam पुनीते न तु विमुखमनास् त्वत्पदाद् विप्रवर्यः त्वत्पदात् विमुखमनः. Like that. From your feet, vimukha. Let us have all the adults, Sumanaji. How much time is that? We've been borrowing time, so we'll borrow time. भीतेर्नामद्वितीयाद् भवति ननु मनः कल्पितं च द्वितीयम्.
भीतिर्नामद्वितीयाद्भवति ननु मनः कल्पितं च द्वितीयम्.
तेनैक्याभ्यासशीलो हृदयमिह यथा शक्तिबुद्ध्या निरुन्ध्याम्.
तेनैक्याभ्यासशीलो हृदयमिह यथा शक्तिबुद्ध्या निरुन्ध्याम्.
माया विद्धेतु तस्मिन् पुनरपि न तथा भाति मायाधिनाथम्.
माया विद्धेतु तस्मिन् पुनरपि न तथा भाति मायाधिनाथम्.
तन्त्वां भक्त्या महत्या सततमनुभजन्नीश भीतिं विजय्याम्.
तन्त्वां भक्त्या महत्या सततमनुभजन्नीश भीतिं विजह्याम्. भीतिर्नाम द्वितीयात् भवति ननु मनः कल्पितं च द्वितीयम्. तेनैक्याभ्यासशीलो हृदयमिह यथा शक्तिबुद्ध्या निरुन्ध्याम्. माया विद्धेतु तस्मिन् पुनरपि न तथा भाति मायाधिनाथम्. तन्त्वां भक्त्या महत्या सततमनुभजन्नि तन्त्वां भक्त्या महत्या सततमनुभजन्नीश भीतिं विजह्याम्.
This is one of my favorite verse. It is describing very beautifully how I'm getting fear and what I should do to get rid of the fear. Both answers Bhattacharya is only saying. Okay. So we have no different kinds of fear. So now the description, when we will understand that description, we should be fearless. See now how the description is going. Bhitir nama. Bhitihi nama. That is called as fear. What? Dvitiyad bhavati, which comes from second. Means what? This is me, this is you, this is he, this is Dvitiya bhava, no? Dvitiya. There is somebody else. Plural aspect is there. Oneness bhava is not there. So fear comes when there is me and there is something else. So my mind is not tuned to the Lord and it's not become one. Ekatva bhava is not there. Dvitiya bhava dviti bhavati. It's clearly written. That's how it is starting. Nanu, and that is really Nanu, manaha kalpitam cha dvitiyam. The mind has only created the second. So impure mind, only the fear comes. Impure mind is, this is me, I am special. Somebody is not so special. Somebody else is there. I'm not seeing Bhagwan over there. I'm not seeing oneness over there. Tena aikyabhyasa shilaha. Shilaha is this practice. Aikyabhyasa. With you, the oneness, I've been practicing. Hridayam, in my heart, in my mind. Yatha Shakti, with all the might that is possible. Buddhya nirundhyam. My mind I shall fix on that, on you, Nirund. I shall be practicing deliberately oneness by fixing my mind on you. Okay. Third line, very beautiful. Maya vidhe. But suppose now with this Maya has overpowered my mind. Tasmin, that time, punaha api, again, na tatha, it won't, bhati, shine, Maya dhinatha. It won't be there when I am devoted to Maya dhinatha. Maya dhinatha, one who is Mayapati. If I am surrendering to Maya, then I will have the plurality. But if I am surrendering to Mayapati, then where is the plural? Where I am surrendering, that I am making. Tantvam bhaktya mahatya bhaktya. So much devotion, very deep and intense devotion. That time, satatam, anubhajan, always, constantly, anubhajan. I'll be worshipping you. That time, hitim vijayhyam. I shall get rid of that fear. Vijayhyam, I will get rid of that fear. So, O Lord, holding on to your feet, there is no fear. Fear is when I will get Dvitiya bhava. So, for that Advitiya, I'll be worshipping you only. But let's say now the Maya is overpowering me. I will hold on you and you would destroy that Maya, that plurality, because you are Mayapati. Holding your feet, you should give me now deepest devotion, intense devotion, and I should be able to do it continuously. And then I would get rid of that fear. Very beautiful. So always in fear, we remember problem only, we remember God. In happy moments, we don't. But we should have this constant thought of Sri Hari, holding his feet in our mind, constantly meditate on him. Then there is no place for Maya. As long as Hari is with us, Mayapati is with us, Maya is under control. Earlier, back in my days, or younger days, Dubai was very fascinating. So beautiful. Conveniences and the richness and all. When you get stuck over there, you don't want to come out from there. You got stunned with the things. Maya. Absolutely nihilistic. That time only when you can't do anything much. So we get stunned. Something overpowers us in the world, in the mind. What will get caught of us? It's all on our mental texture. Where we would get caught, where our mind would go away from the Lord, opposite direction. We will always have to think of the Lord and seek the grace that may my devotion increase and may my mind doesn't go here and there. May your feet only I see always. If we don't ask this, we are stuck in Maya. भीतिर्नाम द्वितीयाद् भवति ननु मनः कल्पितं च द्वितीयम् तेनैक्याभ्यासशीलो हृदयमिह यथा शक्तिबुद्ध्या निरुन्ध्या माया विद्धेतु तस्मिन् पुनरपि न तथा भाति मायाधिनाथम् तन्त्वां भक्त्या महत्या सततमनुभजन्नीश भीतिं विजह्या सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्दा गोविन्दा नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. I think it's a good time to stop now instead of rushing through the next verse. We can enjoy the verses and go ahead. May Lord only decide when we can complete. Let's not have that pressure in the mind. Okay, so we'll continue this bhakti topic further. It's going to be like this only now henceforth. So much loaded. All the leelas are gone. Now we are understanding the Lord. Who is He? Whom, like, when Arjuna says in the 11th chapter, Hey Sakheti, Hey Madhava. He said, oh, you are this and I'm calling you Hare Krishna, Hare this, like that he says in that 11th chapter. So like that now, we held the Narayaniam throughout and listening to Krishna, and now it is dawning on us, what is the essence? What is Krishna? Krishna is not that form which we have said, okay, the blue boy and the peacock feather and this. He's something beyond. He's that Parama Purusha that has to dawn. We have to now transport ourselves higher. That Shakti he is. So far we kept him as our friend, our baby, our Sakha, our Kanta Bhav, whatever Bhav we have towards Krishna. But now that Bhav has to go higher. Now it is getting revealed. He is that Parama Purusha. He is the God of all the gods. He is the soul of everything. He is that Narayana. He is that one from where the universe has only come. It is to that highest thing. We were reading his Leela in his human form. So now that becomes very childish when we get into this part. So our bhav has to change. We have to tune ourselves to the gravity of the knowledge that's going to get revealed. With this, let us end and wait for next Monday to see how many verses we would complete. We complete this Dashakam and get into the next. Those are going to memorize, they're going to memorize this. Those are not going to memorize, dwell on the meaning. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Hari Om, everyone. Thank you for joining. Let's all eagerly wait for next Monday.
Thank you.
Hari Om Varsha ji.
Hari Om Varsha ji. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Varsha ji, thank you so much.
Okay, see you.